In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new notebook in OneNote using the desktop application. Let's get started. To begin, open your OneNote desktop app on your computer. You can find it by searching for OneNote in your Start menu. Once the application launches, make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. If you're not signed in yet, simply click the Sign In button and enter your account details. If you don't have an account, you can create one quickly. It's free and gives you full access to all of OneNote's features. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main interface of OneNote. This is where all your existing notebooks are listed. Take a moment to look at the left-hand panel, where your notebooks are organized for easy access. Now, to create a new notebook, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open the Backstage view. From there, select New. You'll now see different location options where you can save your notebook, such as OneDrive or your local computer. It's recommended to choose OneDrive so your notes can sync across all your devices. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new notebook. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects its purpose. For example, you might name it Work Projects, School Notes, or Personal Journal. Using consistent naming conventions will help you stay organized and quickly find your notebooks later. Once you've entered the name, click the Create Notebook button. In just a few seconds, OneNote will generate your new notebook and open it automatically. You'll now see a blank section and page ready for you to start adding content. At this point, you can begin customizing your notebook. You can create new sections to organize different topics, add pages for individual notes, and insert various types of content, such as text, images, links, and even files. The interface is designed to be simple and intuitive, so you can focus on capturing your ideas without any distractions. And that's it. Creating a new notebook in the OneNote desktop application is quick and easy. Now you're ready to organize your thoughts, projects, and ideas all in one place. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.